Ça mon ravèt, manger là.
Hello guys, welcome back to Beer Fresh channel. Today's video is gonna be another crazy prank because as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing spider and insects pranks on my mom. So basically I'm about to make coffee like I usually do, and she's cleaning my room, she's cleaned the house, and then I'm just gonna put the insects in her coffee to see her reaction because she's really scared of insects. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this family to your family, which means your uncle, your friends, your cousin, grandpa, grandma, whatever. Just share this family video to your family and friends, and we'll see you. So guys, basically guys, look at the insects I buy. You know my mom, I usually got money, like have money to when I'm coming back from school, so I literally bought these insects. They all look so realistic, and I know my mom's gonna freak out. I need this video to reach whatever I like 1K likes because I deserve it, because I'm literally pranking my mom. And just look at them guys, it looks so realistic. Guys, one of them. This one is the creakiest one. This one. Literally, yo. It looks so realistic, and I'm about to put these in my mom coffee. And I know she's gonna freak out because there's so many, and I'm just gonna put all of them because some of them look like cockroach and so many others. See the sugar in it, and it sounds very loud and it's very hot because it's boiling and all that. So I'm just gonna wait till I finish, and then I'm just gonna show you guys when I'm adding all the ingredients, like all the insects and all that. So guys, I'm done with the coffee that I was making, and ta-da, the coffee that I was making, that was boiling, all that. But I got the insects. So here are the insects, and I already washed them, so don't think weird. And so that it could look realistic, I want to use this insect and put it inside of the coffee. I don't know if I can see the coffee, but okay guys, next insect I'm about to put is this, because it kind of looks realistic, because somebody has seen it before. Guys, everything is good, everything's perfect. I'm ready for the prank. You might be wondering, where's my mom? You see she's in my room, she's cleaning, like over there, like where you see that door. Yeah, that's where my mom is right now, and I'm super scared because I want to see the reaction. Look at my baby brother walking, y'all. Okay guys, let's get ready for the prank.
Baby, where's your iPad?
Mommy, what are you doing with my sheet?
Ça y est, la salle là, oui. Pourquoi moi, on met de la salle, on met sous tête panier, sous sac propre. Les manger qu'à bon monde, ça, ou pas bon, quand je pour 3 jours. Des cafés, on est en bas déjà. Voilà, café, on met là, mais ça, on va boire café fouet, non?
Il va fouet.
On va boire café, on va laver dans les
I said it's not fouet, whatever I said.
Pourquoi ça vous fait café, on met là, sur ça?
So you can see it, it's listed in the table. I can't believe it.
Ouais, et quoi, il a commis café à l'infini. When I'm getting ready, I will take it by myself.
Mommy, are you not gonna be making coffee that much? So don't do that. Hey, don't drink this mommy coffee.
Listen, no, take your bottle. Take your bottle. You better take your bottle.
Yes, cows. Hug. No.
Isn't the hour cow? Who didn't count it?
No. No. You're so mean sometimes. Anyway, it's just
Come on. Say to Lisa, come on.
Jason. No.
Oh, then be with her.
Why are you slapping something you're doing so much?
Podemos pensar aqui. Só com a letra, vai que a gente vai.
God, Mom, why can't Jason sit there?
Sit there. I'm
not
drinking
fair.
my coffee. It's not fair.
He wanna sit there.
Uma que esse cara assim.
But
What glass esse cara?
no, it was boiling with the sugar.
Bah, o café abriu.
Leave me alone. I did my best. Like it or not, just do it. And I don't mind. That was so good. That's so salty.
Vamos lá provar café.
What's... Mommy, you're not gonna be doing that. Mom, look.
Café tem
No, I don't drink it. No. That looks so good.
Café de café amarelado. This little boy, come take your tablet. Listen.
Yeah, you guys really should go to the lunch today. Because tomorrow is Monday and I have school. And I need to go to the mat, whatever. Anyway,
Bem bom. Bem bom. Get down, little boy. Come, wash your tablet. Avance.
Mom,
Move over.
put him right here.
Okay.
Because I don't know why Jason gotta sit in my
Yeah.
spot.
Wash.
Yay!
My baby boy. My baby. Café a sweet bon. Ma parle de vous savez, on met trop ici.
That's not, you see, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you added more sugar, it would be like syrup or something.
Huge thank you for watching this video. I hope you're already enjoying it. But right now, if you could quickly click like on this video, it would be a huge help. And it will just take you 1 second. So thank you in advance for clicking like on this video.
Vamos, já fez nada.
Yeah.
Sabe o que eu falar nisso?
Mom, there's a piece of bread. You was literally sticking the bread to it.
Sai com ravèt, manger là.
No.
Nem ça son ravèt, oui?
Mommy, why would I ever make something that got a roach inside of it?
What, mon Dieu, mon, regarde, mais, ravèt dans ça.
I don't see anything.
Gardez non, prends son pour garder pour les regarder ravèt mon café.
I don't. Mom, why would I make something? Why are you going to the bathroom for? Why would I make something that got roach inside and give it to you? Stop! Whoa, see that you're making me embarrassed. Mommy!
Nessa café alguém ravèt lá dedans. Quando ravèt ça, on ça. Toute version propre, tout à fait propre. Mais ravèt la balancer dans ça, oui?
There's no roach inside of it. It's a piece of bread.
Oh, puis la touille, moi, ouais. Quand on compte avec ravèt, on ça mettre dans café. Ravèt lié, oui?
That's not roaches.
Et ça veut dire ça manque et faut prier veiller tout bagarre petit moi manger on masse tout grave quand on masse grave avec moi ça comment café a fait avec là ça ou pas recevoir ça
Mommy, I did this one did we barely use this kind. We usually use a brown one. Stop.
mais puis tu as fait manger avec mais puis tu as fait manquer bras avec même vol avec là oui
Mommy, why would I mix something with roaches inside? I see it when I was
bon pas aller on regarde pas ça passe hein regarde pas ça faire là non mais puis
What are you doing?
mais puis tu as avec là on a mais tout ça c'est avec là ouais mais you killed it no
you killed it. Mommy, you bite.
mais ça c'est bon avec ça là ou là que dans le café ou petit mon faire mon travail comme ça ça m'a bon café m'boire fond café moi à chaque m'boire fond café mon bail là
No.
qui ça va ça là
Mama, you killed the roach. Ew.
Oh Jesus. Puis là mais ça bon café parce que petit moi pour mettre ça dans café à moment ça avec ça yo puis quand on avec ça on ramasse ou vient avec voilà quand on va gagner avec là pour travailler avec ça ouais ça
Mommy, that's not roaches. That's a piece of bread.
ça la venir là pour la pain ça par contre pain quand on va avec mourir ça on les mettre on est ça moment qui fait grande fiel moi là hein
I don't know.
mais problème on est monté pain depuis mais on fait café on va prendre
Mommy, stop acting. You like my coffee anyway.
Mais ça est bail impropre dans dernier niveau. On va devoir faire café au maman pour mettre bête mourir là-dedans. Ou ramasser ravèt, genre avec nest avec bagaille ça sale pour chercher ravèt mettre dans ça.
I said that's not roaches.
That's not roaches. What is that? Ou ravèt dans flanquer dans ça ou ramasser pour pas chambre faire café moi.
So why are you so mad over roaches?
Chinois, comme si t'as mangé ravèt.
Mom, why did you like go to my room so much? Go to yours. Oh my gosh, she would love to go to my room. Mommy. Get out. Mommy, that's mine. Mommy, why did you do that? No, never. You gonna drink it. I don't mind. I don't know. I just make coffee. Mommy, I don't put roaches in your coffee. That's so disgusting. Oh my god. I see it.
You see it?
Yes.
You didn't pay attention before?
I did. But mommy, it's not a big of a deal like that. Seriously.
Ouais, mais ça c'est là, venir avec verre, pas même manger, normalement c'est là où je dis maintenant. Ou petit on font travail comme ça. What God?
Sorry. I said sorry. Yes, I said sorry. Why are you trying to hit me once? Like stop.
My God, let me confirm that for.
Okay, you can't do anything.
God, let me confirm that for.
You can't do anything. You can't do anything. Stop acting like you're so strict like that. Stop. You can't do anything. Keep drinking roaches. Mommy, it's a prank. It's a prank.
What on fait manquer classe pour vous là. Qu'est-ce que vous parlez là pour là. Vous allez m'a fait travail là. M'a fait travail là pour là. Vous avez fait pression. Ou on démarcher pour vous dans canapé là. Tomber.
It's a prank.
It's a point.
It's a prank.
Why that's supposed to be a point?
Because it's fake roaches. See?
You va move mais au tout noir.
See, this is a plastic bag. It's fake. See?
Oh, qui go to a caisse for buy.
So you know when you give me money to go to school, I just see them and I just buy them.
There's a person you keep watching nonsense with the money.
That's not nonsense. It's to make a prank.
On va se prendre là. Bah là tomber là. On des le film fait pourquoi on des bons, ma porte des bons coups. Parce que là c'est pour Bouddha. Qui go mettre caméra on fait pas là.
Keep looking around.
Grand slap fait la venir pour la faire. On décote bas on fait comme ça. Qu'est-ce on va tomber là bas, on va manquer racher pour Bouddha là.
Here is the camera.
Ah.
So you better say something. Cause
Donc Bouddha marcher, Bouddha manquer tomber Bouddha là, mais choisir tirer côté tomber là, non Bouddha. Manquer grâce pour Bouddha là, là faire. Manquer tomber là. Bah quand puis à bien là tomber oui.
Okay guys, if you guys know you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Mom, what you gotta say?
Hello guys, ça va fait mon moi yo. A passant de ça fait vidéo ça sur là, tout le monde m'a gain vidéo moi fait but pas ko gain temps pour me capable aider yo. Moi gain en vidéo pour me voir pour nous en fanatique moi yo mais pas ko gain temps là pour moi aider pour me voir yo guys. Vidéo là, n'a pour là pas trop non mais pitan que c'est une grande vidéo parce que me supposé pour une vidéo pour nous guys. M'ta devant une vidéo pour nous enjoy nous guys vidéo yo là pour gain temps pour m'aider tu connais des vidéos à petit temps. But les monsieur travail comme ça prend temps puis guys. Merci à tout le monde regarder vidéo Leïsa en point maman. Si mon Leïsa point moi m'ba fait café moi tout fait café moi donc fait travail toujours aider petit pour Leïsa inquiet pour Leïsa mettez et ravèt mourir dans ravèt fait ravèt yo li acheter on mettre dans ça dans café à petit monde. OK Leïsa et mode point ça Leïsa fait sur maman seulement.
Yes, y'all remember from my last video that she kept me out. This is my second video from all those months. So I'm
ça dit mon ça que dans première vidéo là j'ai fait comme ça sur mettre le déo dans channel là. OK à tout le monde qui dit me regarder ça point moi par rapport à ça m'gé bon prendre petit monde m'gé prendre ça m'gé
my mom never pranks me.
m'gé prendre non point oui
I always pray why she
les ma pin sur nous connaît min sur en grand monde pour que qui dit ça passe dans des petits monde n'a prendre notre vidéo encore merci bye.
So guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it
On a
a big
lavé
thumbs up and bye.